For sure, okay, bye. Oh, I miss you, darling. Oh, my sweet boy. What a weird girl. Oh, hi, sweetie. Oh, I wish you were mine. Huh? What? He's mine. You, go away. What about juice?
Ooh, your bill.
Keep the change. A golden burger. Wish I could taste a piece. Oh my god, you look so poor. Take it. Whoa. Oh, I want it all.
Wow. Here you are.
Thanks.
Girls, attention! Surprise me with your cooking skills.
Hello.
My girlfriend will be the one who bakes me a cake.
Rich food? Again? Look at me. Oh, yeah.
Rich food again.
I'm so hungry. Oh. Is there any food anywhere? Huh? Oh, found it. Yummy. Boring. Really? Today? I have to win this competition.
Maybe this one?
No,
Huh?
this.
But it's too expensive.
No, I want that. Wow. Whoa, Grandma's secrets. Whoa. Wow. Book, give me your best secret recipe. What? An apple pie? Okay, I'll just make a cake. So cheap. Oh, this is better. Oh, too expensive. Yeah. Oh, I need eggs. I saw them first. I don't think so. Good job.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, this is right. Good. Faster, faster. Whoa! Look how strong I am now.
Finally.
Wow, it's amazing. Here we go. It's time to decorate you. Hey! Oh, wow! Yum. What?
Don't forget about it.
Oh, you're so cute. No. Yummy. Wow, that was so close. Oh. beautiful cake! Boring. Just what I need. Wow. I do not wait.
Go away! Next.
Try this.
Wow! It's tasty!
But this is better.
Wow!
Get rid of it.
The taste is so delicious. Okay, you both go to the next round. Burger and pizza.
No, I don't like it. Go away. Find me ingredients of burgers now.
Okay. You're welcome.
Oh no! Let's fix it. That's better. Stupid ketchup. Maybe this? I need salt.
Delivery.
Okay. Oh, I need to make a burger. Oh, just what I need. What? Oh, some stale bread. Let's use it. That's enough.
Leave me alone.
Done. I need something else. Hey guys! Oh, perfect. Oh, it looks delicious already. But I need cheese. Huh? Oh, thank you. This is for you.
Whoa, a burger. Huh? I like your burgers. Mwah. Let me hug you. Girls, look at yourself. You got dirty. You're dirty.
What about me?
You're dirty. Huh? Whoa.
Come on, guys.
Sorry, girls. I prefer her.
What? Let's get out of here. Wait a minute. Psst, plan B. Another spoon. Wait! Oh! It's delicious! It's all mine! Oh, a red drink! Cherries! 2, 3. Delicious. Whoa! It smells so... Huh? I dreamed about it for so long. Oh, it's mine. No! No! Yes! No! Yes!
What's going on here?
Ooh, that was close. Oh, look, it's free pizza. Yeah. We want a free pizza.
Okay, girls.
Oh. Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Voila.
Yummy.
And now for you, lady. Whoa. Go.
Hi.
Hey. And some of these too.
Hi.
Oh.
Tasty.
Wow, bellissimo.
Tasty. Oh. I will not eat this. But I have to. You naughty fruit.
Eat me.
With pleasure. Hello, guys. Look at my perfect matcha. Oh. Huh? Let's see who wins. I can do better. Oh, yeah. What is she up to here? Let's go. Yeah. Now that's what I call perfection. Yum. This way even better. It's okay. I still have my matcha. Delicious. Just as I thought. Let's see how you like that. Oh, she's never gonna win. Anything blue? Is there anything red? Oh! Go ketchup! I can eat it now. It's red. I can color something too. Oh!
No.
I can eat it now. Oh, we'll see who wins. No, iPhone has to be mine. Don't you dare! It's mine! You wish it's mine. Oh no! It's stuck! So is it a draw? Yeah. I wonder how many of them I can put in my mouth. That's it? I need more. Oh no! Hey, this is our floor. Wow! Just what I need.
Girls, these are my shoelaces.
Huh?